Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Terry. If you're new, welcome. And as you guys can see, I've already went ahead and I did one eye off camera, so I'll just go ahead and show you guys how I did this look right here. So stay tuned. Alrighty, so first I'm gonna go in with black opal concealer, and this is in honey. I'm gonna use this as a base for my eyeshadow, so I'm gonna apply that underneath my brow to line that up and drag it down onto my eyelid. Alright, so I'm just gonna go with this fluffy brush and I'm going to pat that out. Just gonna use this sponge to blend that concealer out some more. I'm gonna go in with the City of Neon Lights palette, this one right here. I use this palette a lot, and I'm just gonna take the black from that palette. It is called Woman in Black. So I want to ensure that the concealer is smooth and not cracked, because today I didn't go in and set because I wanted the colors to pop like as much as possible. So I'm just starting from the outer corner, taking that in just a little, and I'm going right into the crease, and I'm bringing that in just a little bit, not too far. I'm not bringing it up too much up towards the brow area. So I'm just patting that onto the concealer. I am not swiping or anything. I'm just patting that color in to build it up. So you're going to go in and add more color as needed to build that pigment up. Alright, so once I have that black down, I'll be working with the Masquerade palette from Juvia's Place. The Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. So I'm going to go in with this color here. It is called Tiaro, and also I'll be mixing that in with Burkina. And I'll be using these two brown shades to blend out that black on the edge right there. I think I'm butchering these names. I'm going in with Sario or Zero. I'm just patting that onto the edge of the black eyeshadow. I'm also dragging it into the inner part of my eyelid just a little bit. I'm not going too far. So before I start blending those two colors together, I'll be going in with the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I just have a little bit right in this cover right here, and I'll just take a little, add it right on the brow bone area so that I can blend my colors seamlessly. And now we can start blending those two colors together just by swiping like in a windshield motion. And you're going to add in more brown as necessary. So now I'm going in with a clean brush that I used to blend this part here. I'm going to go in and further blend these two colors together. So I'm basically moving like in circular motions and wiper shield motions as well. Now I'll be taking a blue pigment. This is a loose pigment powder, and I'm just add that right here, right next to the black. Then I'm going back into my Masquerade palette, and I am taking Dahlia, this nice shimmery blue right here, and I'll be blending it on top of the pigment as well. So I'll just pat that in. I'm going to go in back with that brush that I used to apply the black, and I'm just going to blend out the edge right here. I'll be creating a wing liner, and I'm using the Clean Color Smoking Gel Liner. I like to use a gel liner to create my wing when I do wings. And I like to set the gel liner into place with a black eyeshadow. So I'm going to go on top with the black eyeshadow just to set that so it doesn't move around. So the colors that I have on there here, I'm basically just going to drag them on my lower eyelid. So I'll be back once I do that. Now I'll be applying my lashes. I'm using this lash today. Okay, so now that lashes are on, I'll just move on to doing my face. I won't be talking through this process. I'll just speed through this process right here. So for the lips, you guys saw me went in with a lip liner. It's in dark brown. It's a MAC lip liner. And now I'm going in with the Maybelline gloss, and this is in enthralling nude. So basically I'm just doing a very simple lip as usual. And that's it for the lips. So now I'm just going to go in with highlight. I'm going with the Ellie Girl Strobe Light, and I'm using this to highlight today. Okay, so I'm going back into this palette. I'm taking Dea. I'm going to apply that right into this shimmery color right here. I'm going to apply that right into the tear ducts area just to brighten up the eye look some more. So this is a finished look, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you learned something from this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you guys are interested in this hairstyle, I will be linking that in the iCards or down in the description. Once it is uploaded, I will be linking that down in the description, so you guys can check that out. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.